G'day guys, Greg here. Now here I am today at KFC. They got a new meal deal out, the bucket for one. Or will you be able to feed two people with it? Well, let's find out when I grab one and suss out to see what we get inside. Let's go get one. Alright, here we go. The bucket for one, $14.95 it cost. And, well, you can actually do some adjustments on this bucket. And, well, you can swap things over. I actually swapped a dinner roll with a gravy. Oh, yeah! As you would. Anyway, it's got a bit of weight about it. I got the scales. Let's see how much it does weigh. Whoa! 730-something grams? Crikey! And if I included the drink on top of that, that'd be over a kilo of lunch or dinner or whatever it is. Anyway, let's suss out and see what I got today. Right, well, of course, you get the drink with that, so that's good. Let's see what we get in here. Oh, what? Oh. They gave me a dinner roll. Oh, I didn't order that. I ordered the gravy. Oh, for God's sake. And what's here? Well, there's some popcorn chicken. Right. Chips. Right. And, well, here's a gravy here. And it's supposed to have a potato and gravy, but instead of giving me the potato and gravy, they gave me the dinner roll, which I specifically didn't order because I didn't want it. And in here, we've got 3 pieces of chicken. Are they any good? Well, you can decide that. Rightio, well, I may as well just start eating some of it. I need to check if these chips are any good. Of course they're not. They're KFC chips. God, they're chewy and soft. They're not even crispy, and there's hardly any salt on them. That's why I get the gravy. Well, these chips are absolutely horrible. I can't believe KFC won the favourite chips of all Australian fast food restaurants. Mate, they're notoriously bad. What's wrong with your taste buds? Now the popcorn chicken, whoa, there's so many of them. If you were like this tall, this box would look really big. Unfortunately, this is the size of it. It's like as big as your thumb. Anyway. Yeah, that's alright. I suppose. The dinner roll I didn't order, well, the ibis will get that. Although I can hear a lot of crows out there, maybe they'll get it. Actually, I'll take that home for Rolo. He'll love that. And, of course, we got some KFC chicken. Oh, original recipe. Who doesn't love KFC original recipe? Well, vegans. Vegetarians, I don't think they'd like it. But I think maybe at least a vegetarian might eat the coating on the outside. Who knows? If you're a vegetarian, let me know if you do. Let's see if this is any good. You know it is. And of course I can wash it all down later on with a can of drink. And when I say later on with a can of drink, I mean with a few ice cubes in there, maybe a shot of my favourite whiskey. But there's the meal. So I wonder what score I'll give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, $14.95 for all this and a drink. That's not too bad, actually. It's a kilo of product, at least. So if you ate all of it, mate, I'm pretty sure you're going to be pretty full after that. Flavour-wise, well, the chips today, well, they were your typical KFC chips. Undercooked, soggy, no salt, plain, boring and horrible tasting. At least they're consistent with their chips. The popcorn chicken, well, that's popcorn chicken, mate. It's always tastes good. I don't think it tastes as good as it used to, but it still tastes pretty good. I got the bread roll today, which I didn't order specifically because I don't like it. And I still got one. And the gravy, well, you got to have gravy so you can try and eat these chips, can't you? And the gravy's usually always good. The only thing ruining this gravy are these chips. And of course you got the bucket of chicken, 3 pieces there. That should be substantial, shouldn't it? I think it should be. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the KFC bucket for 1. I think this deserves a... I'm giving it an 8 out of 10. It's a pretty good meal deal, actually. It's 6 items you're getting there, and well, if it wasn't for these lousy chips and the dinner roll that I didn't order specifically because I can't stand them, well, it would have been a 10 out of 10. But otherwise, it's another good meal deal from KFC, mate. Are you going to be rushing in to grab one? Mate, if you do, tell them Greg sent you. Not going to have a clue. But let's not just take my word for it. Let's find out from the nose who knows. Rollo. Come on, Rollo. What are you going to go first? Oh, he's going to dinner. No, even he doesn't want to go to dinner roll. Yeah, that makes total sense. But he's gone the chips. Oh, yeah. Well, yeah, if he has to, I guess he will. Oh, well, how's that dinner roll going down, mate? Yep, they're hard to chew and they're hard to swallow. Yep, you're 100% correct on that one, mate. See, Rollo knows. And there he goes. Onto the popcorn chicken. Yep. And then yeah, he doesn't even want to eat the crumbs. That's really rare for Rollo not to eat the crumbs or something, but the KFC dinner roll, it's not for him. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and finish the rest of this off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat some KFC. See you then. Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen with a review.